Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your iPhone. So if you have problems with your Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power the phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings, just open general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just try to tap on your Wi-Fi. Just tap on your Wi-Fi network and just choose here forget this network and just connect to your network again from this list. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.